Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph C. Frights, ang visual artist from Manila. And today we are going to unbox and review the Marvel's Beast 1/10 scale na 3D statue mga ma'am, sir. 3D printed statue from 3D Hub MNL. Yan yung kanilang Facebook page, 3dhub.mnl. Shout out to 3dhub.mnl for this very cool Beast na 3D printed na statue. Super cool, grabe. Grabe yung fine details ng hair, ng base, lalo na yung base niya. You have the fire, may mga coils, may mga mechanical details, yung mga wires, yung mga dami. Yung kanilang mga exhaust, yung exhaust na base. Actually ito para siyang Sentinel base kaya marami siyang battle damage na mga armor plates. It also comes with several parts, so separate yung kanyang base, hinati yan ni Sir, tapos hinati yan ni 3D Hub MNL kasi masyadong malaki yung base kaya kailangan niyang hatiin, pero maganda yung pagkakahati niya, very smooth, and kailangan nyo lang idikit yan via super glue. Yan, gagamit lang kayo ng super glue para idikit yan. Pero ngayon nakakabit siya using blue tacks or adhesive putties para lang makita natin kung ano yung form ni Beast kapag fully assembled na siya. And I'm also looking at the textures, the materials, the way it is printed. It is very fine. This is made of resin. It's a resin 3D printing is a type of additive manufacturing technology that uses liquid resins to craft objects. This 3D printing type is also known as vat photopolymerization. The process uses a short wavelength of light to solidify liquid resin into 3D pieces. Yan yung nasa ano yan. Nag-search ako ngayon sa Google kung ano yung 3D resin printing, and thank you very much 3D Hub MNL for this very awesome, very detailed na sculpt para sa client natin. Super cool. Ayan, kung gusto niyo mag-avail ng mga 3D printed stuff, very nice. 3D Hub MNL, shout out to you. Sa kanya ako lagi kumukuha ng mga 3D printed statues. Katulad itong Beast na to, super nice ang pagkakagawa niya mga ma'am, sir. Sobrang solid talaga. Ang ganda ng details. Ayan no, kasi halos kasing laki ng ruler yung height ni Beast, and also malapad din to, 1/10 scale. Ang 1/10 scale na Beast na ganito na statue cost around parang mga 8,000 pesos only. Okay, that's it mga ma'am, sir, ma'am. If you want to avail, punta lang kayo sa 3dhub.mnl on Facebook.